Are your clients buying their care products from you, or are they buying online? Now, I know this has been a problem lately, probably for the last few years, but it's gotten worse. And more professional beauty companies are selling either directly on their own websites or they're selling on Amazon and maybe other outlets. So, what do you do about it? A lot of salons and stylists are used to having exclusive beauty products that they can sell to their customers. Well, those days are more than likely behind us. The good old days of having your own product that you develop, you sell, you educate your clients on, and you promote through your salon, exclusive only, is probably never going to come back. And the reason why I say that is our economy is moving more toward online e-commerce. There's not a lot you can do about it. We can fight it all we want, but the way I look at it, and the same thing is happening with my business as well. You either fight them, get rid of products that are available online, or you join them. And one of the things that I've come to realize is that we're not going to be able to fight it. It's getting more and more relevant these days that people are going to be ordering online. But what you can do in your salon is actually educate your people and have a discussion with them and tell them, hey, when you buy directly from me, you help support my business. Most people know that the cost of chemicals and services have gone up in the recent couple of years. And I would just tell them, if you would like to see prices not go up as much, then buy your professional products from me. I'm the one that introduced it to you. I'm the one that actually is educating you and actually recommending the right product for your hair. And it's almost like a slap in the face if they go and buy it online, especially the ones that do it right there in your chair while you tell them about it. And I've heard those stories too. I think a lot of people may not realize what they're doing. Some do. Some don't care, whether they support you or not. Those are the ones that you really have to talk to and decide whether or not you're going to go up on their services or maybe take other action. But for my customers and my viewers, I've actually created a document that would help with the conversation. And you'll see this flyer that I created that kind of just starts the conversation. And I would recommend you print it up, put it at your station or throughout your salon, and just kind of make people aware that, hey, don't buy online. Even though you may do business on Amazon and other places, when it comes to products that you can get locally, you should try to always get locally, providing it's not, totally, a big price difference. But if it's a few dollars, that's not such a big deal. And, most stylists can price match, when they find things cheaper online. So I would challenge stylists to do that because it's, if you go to Amazon and somebody sees a price lower at a salon versus Amazon, you're not going to be able to ask Amazon for a discount or to price match it. So you have the advantage. And a lot of the promotions that we sell to salons, they do have cost savings in those. And rather than just keep the extra profit, what should be happening is you should be passing those savings on to customers. So you put, things that are on promotion, you put them on sale, and that will keep your customers from, looking online or when they see something on sale online, they're not going to be shocked. So I would continually promote products as we promote them and offer them to your customers at a lower price point. But if you are one of those stylists or salons that need help with getting that word out, if you check the link below, there's a link to download this. Hopefully this helps. This has been a problem lately in my territory, and this is just one solution that I'm doing for my customers to help them. Let's beat them at their own game. Let's not let them win. Because otherwise, when you don't sell the products that are being discounted, they're going to buy it anyway from wherever. So it might as well be you getting the sales. Okay. Thanks for watching.